In equipment rental, every hour of usage matters. But when usage is not tracked accurately, revenue is lost. Delayed and inaccurate timesheets slow down billing and cash flow. Unexpected breakdowns bring projects to a standstill. Without proper maintenance tracking, repair costs keep increasing. Spare parts are mismanaged, leading to delays and unnecessary purchases. Now imagine complete control over your equipment, usage, and operations. Capture equipment usage and operator timesheets in real time. Track exact working hours for every machine across sites. Convert usage directly into accurate invoices without manual calculations. Faster billing means faster cash flow. Plan preventive maintenance to avoid costly breakdowns. Manage repairs with structured job cards and inspection records. Reduce downtime and keep equipment running longer. Track spare parts inventory and usage with complete accuracy. Understand true maintenance costs for every piece of equipment. Maximize utilization by knowing where your equipment is and how it is used. Accurate tracking, reduce downtime, better utilization, increase billable hours, reduce costs, and grow your rental business profitably. Moiboo brings control, accuracy, and efficiency to equipment rental operations.